front of me is UMIDIGI G5 tab, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now tap on the Notifications over here and select App Settings. Now you can click on Most Recent under App Notifications and tap on the best sorting option for you. I will go with by Most Frequent Notifications. Last but not least, use blue switchers next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. You can also tap on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!